Hello everybody. So all those NEET aspirants who have completed their exams can be in two states. First of all in the boredom, and second is in the state of confusion and also tension and stress. So in this video I'll divide two sections. First for those who think they will get good marks and can get good college. Second for those who don't think they perform well and are thinking to take drops or switching their branches. So stay tuned till end of the video, you'll get all your answers. So let's start with the second group first, who think they didn't perform well. So you really need to ask two main questions to yourself before deciding anything. First of all, are you doing it for yourself, or are you doing it under pressure or someone has told you to? Because there's nothing to demotivate you, but the reality is NEET UG is just a poster. In MBBS, in postgraduate, in specialty, in super specialty, you have to study so much so that you have to like give your whole life to it. There is fun, there are parts when you'll face up and down, but you really need to be prepared for that. So if you're not enjoying the part of learning in NEET UG only, so you really need to sit down and narrow down your thoughts and think what else you can do, and surely there will be something good you waiting for you. So the second question is for those who are taking the second or third drop. So is it really worth it? This can only be answered by your determination. Last year also many of you have commented and asked me question like this is my second drop, क्या ये सच में वर्थ इट है, क्या मुझे आना चाहिए, मुझे वापस प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए कि नहीं. Genuinely बता रही हूँ, this only depend on you, your determination, your motivation, because you have to study at the end of the day. No one will study for you, neither your parents, nor will any senior, nor will any teacher. You will only have to study and give the exam. So think about it, and if you are really determined, MBBS is really nice. I am genuinely so happy with my decision. So go for it. So now comes the first group of students who think कि they are satisfied with their marks, they'll get good college, or if they are thinking of going into private colleges also. So this video is for you. Starting with what to do, I was really in the same state and I literally watched like 10 to 15 videos on YouTube like what to do in this period, because roughly I got 2 months before entering in college. So first of all, you really need to do a good research about college. Don't forget to check all the hostel facilities and living conditions there, because it really matters at the end of the day if you are willing to go to some other place and going in the hostel. In most of the colleges, living in hostel in first year is compulsory. So do check that before entering it. Next is what to study before college. Genuinely speaking, frankly speaking, do not study anything before entering college, because I asked same question to my seniors कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना चाहिए कॉलेज आने से पहले. उन्होंने भी सेम ही यही बोला था कि कॉलेज में बहुत टाइम होता है पढ़ने के लिए. डू एंजॉय दिस पार्ट एंड डू समथिंग which will help you to build your personality. Because in this generation, getting a degree, getting a job of 9 to 5 is not enough, because it's all about competition, it's all about extra strength you have, mental, physical, all fitness, and also that one skill that will help you to stand out from the crowd is very important in this generation. So my suggestion is to be that one out of the crowd, is to follow these things you can do. First of all, learn the digital world. Like especially you really need to learn to work with Canva. Your life will be so much easier. In the college also, when you have to make presentations or posters or anything, Canva is such a good, like, your best friend in these things. So do learn to do work with Canva. Secondly, you can learn any one instrument. that you can like, because it's really attractive and it's really good when you perform in the college events. So you can learn one instrument, or you can also learn any sport, so you can take part in different events in the college, because these certificates will really help you to build your CV. So do not waste this crucial time, and make the best out of it. Most important is reconnect with your family and friends, spend ample of time with them, and make good memories with them. Next is, last is, do not take stress about any exams, because कॉलेज जाके यही समझ आता है कि एग्जाम्स तो आते जाते रहते हैं, and at the end of the day the one thing that matters is your knowledge, because no one will ask you at the end of the day कि तुम्हारे नीट यूजी में कितने मार्क्स आए थे एंड तुम्हारे फर्स्ट ईयर में कितने मार्क्स आए थे. What matters is your degree, and what matters is your knowledge. So after thinking wisely, make your decision, and then go for it. So I really want to share one story of my friend. So as I took one drop before entering college, I took 1 year drop. So she also took 1 year drop with me, and we were friends since class second. So we also went to same college, like same hostel and same school. So before entering in medical college, she was really like good in studies, and she also scored like 598 marks. But after taking 1 year drop, she realized that MBBS is not for her. Like, she don't want to go for MBBS, and she don't want to go for like become a doctor. So she took literally she chose a different path, like she chose business and like that. And genuinely speaking, she's doing so well in that. And honestly, as a friend, I think कि वो इतना अच्छा नहीं कर पाती, या वो इतना, you know, that spark of like when we do things, so that spark is need to be there. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो नहीं आता as a friend, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So you really need to think and know yourself what you want to do before taking any step in your life, because these steps are really important for your career and for your future. So this is nothing to demotivate, but this is a genuine real life example that I'm giving you. So if you are really willing and you're really determined to become a good doctor, so there will be no one can, so there's no one which who can stop you. So just go for it, and all the best, guys. And for any other information, do comment down below. Stay tuned for more videos and give suggestions on the topic which you want to listen about. And bye bye, subscribe to the channel.